Why, why can't I just speak like others? I know the words. I study every night. But when I open my mouth, nothing comes out. Today, again, I wanted to say just one sentence. Just one. But my voice, it disappeared. Everyone was looking. They looked so confident. And me, I looked like a fool. I keep practicing every day. But when I hear my own voice, it sounds strange. Like it's not even me. Why can't I just speak normally? Why does English feel like a mountain? Maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe I'll never speak like them. Maybe I should just stop trying. I'm so tired of trying. I just want to feel normal. Just one time.
Emily? Are you all right?
Oh, sir. I'm sorry. I didn't see you.
It's okay. No need to say sorry. But tell me, why are you crying?
No, it's nothing. I'm fine.
Emily? I've known you for some time now. You work hard, you stay quiet, but today, you look broken. Please, talk to me.
Sir, it's just I feel so useless sometimes. I try to speak English, but when I do, I forget everything. I get nervous, my hands shake, my voice disappears. Tell me what happened exactly. In the meeting today, I wanted to say my idea. It was a good idea. I practiced last night, I wrote it down, but when it was my turn, I stood up and my mind went blank. I looked at everyone and they were all waiting and I just froze.
And then?
I sat down. Someone else spoke. I smiled, like nothing happened, but inside, I felt so small. I came here after the meeting, and I cried.
Emily, do you think this happens only to you?
Maybe not, but everyone else speaks so easily. They sound confident, natural. They use big words. And me? I sound like a beginner, like a child. You know what's funny?
Even confident people feel nervous sometimes. They just hide it better. But inside, they feel the same fear you feel.
Really?
Of course. The only difference is they don't stop speaking. They speak through the fear.
But when I open my mouth, I think everyone will laugh. I think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if they don't understand me? What if I sound stupid? That's the voice of fear. It sits inside your head. It says, don't speak.
You'll make a mistake. And slowly, you believe it.
Yes, that's exactly what happens. My heart beats fast, my voice shakes, and I want to run away.
You know what your brain is doing? It's protecting you. It thinks speaking is danger. It's like when people fear heights or darkness. Your body reacts the same way.
So, what do I do then? How do I stop that fear?
We don't stop fear. We understand it. We talk to it. We make it smaller, slowly. Can I teach you something simple?
Yes, please.
Okay. Before speaking, your body forgets to breathe. So you take short, fast breaths. That makes your brain panic. We fix that first. Sit straight. Now take a deep breath slowly. In through your nose, 4 seconds. Hold 1 second. Then out slowly.
In, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. Do it again.
In, out. In, out.
Now tell me how you feel.
A little lighter? Like my chest is not tight anymore.
That's step 1. When you feel nervous, breathe first, speak second.
Okay. Breathe first, speak second.
Now, let's talk about your speaking. When you try to speak perfect English, your brain tries to fix grammar, words, tone, all at once. That's too much.
Yes, that's what happens. I think too much.
So, we make it simple. We use small sentences. Short, clear, strong. For example, instead of saying, I was thinking to inform you about the project timeline, just say, I want to tell you about the project.
I want to tell you about the project.
Perfect. See? That's easy. No big words, no fear. Small sentences are powerful.
But people will think my English is bad.
No, Emily. They'll think your English is clear. Simple English is smart English.
Maybe I should try that.
Let's do a small practice. Imagine I'm your manager. You're giving a quick update. Say one short sentence about your work.
Okay. I finished the report today.
Good. Now again, but slower. Pause after I finished.
I finished the report today.
Beautiful. Now add one more line. I will send it by evening.
I will send it by evening.
Perfect. Now both together.
I finished the report today. I will send it by evening.
That's it. That's a full, clear, confident update. No complex grammar, just truth and calm.
That actually feels easy.
Because it is easy. We just make it hard in our minds.
Now, tell me, Emily, when you stand in front of people, what's the first thought in your head?
Don't make a mistake.
Exactly. And what if you change that thought?
Change? To what?
Say to yourself, I will speak slowly, or I will share my idea. Not don't fail, but I will try.
I will try. I will speak slowly. Yes, that sounds better.
That's positive language. Your brain listens to what you tell it. Feed it calm thoughts, and your voice will follow.
I will try. I will speak slowly. I will share my idea.
Good. Say it again with a small smile.
I will try. I will speak slowly. I will share my idea.
See that? Confidence starts from inside, not from grammar books.
Sir, what if I make mistakes again? Everyone will notice.
Good question. What happens when you walk and trip a little? Do you sit on the floor forever?
No, I get up.
Exactly. Mistakes are like small trips. You don't stop walking, you just smile, fix, and move.
But what if people laugh?
Then you smile too, because they laughed once, but you learned forever.
I never thought like that.
Every mistake is a small teacher. You learn faster from mistakes than from silence.
Let's try something small. I'll say a short line, you repeat it twice. I can learn.
I can learn. I can learn.
I am growing every day.
I am growing every day. I am growing every day.
My English is getting better.
My English is getting better. My English is getting better.
Confidence comes from practice.
Confidence comes from practice. Confidence comes from practice.
Good. How do you feel now?
Better, calmer, like my heart is not heavy anymore.
That's progress. You see, you didn't change your English. You changed your energy.
Now, Emily, I'll tell you a secret. Confidence doesn't come in one day. It comes from small habits.
What kind of habits?
Easy ones. Listen to English for 10 minutes daily, repeat short lines like today, record yourself once a week, read one paragraph out loud, write 3 simple sentences about your day.
Okay, listen, repeat, record, read, write. I can do that.
Yes, but don't do it like homework. Do it like self-care. Slowly, with love.
With love.
Yes, don't fight English. Befriend it. Talk to it like a friend. Hey, English, today we'll practice together.
That sounds funny.
It works, because when you remove fear, learning becomes joy.
Sir, can I tell you something?
Of course.
Sometimes when people speak English fast, I feel invisible. Like I don't belong in the same room. Like they are smarter.
I understand. But intelligence is not about accent or speed. It's about clarity and kindness. And you have both.
You really think so?
I know so. You just need to see what I see.
What do you see?
I see someone who cares, who works hard, who wants to improve. And that is real strength.
Thank you, sir. No one ever said that to me before.
Then let this be the first time. You are not weak because you cry. You cry because you care.
Okay, one last exercise. Stand up. Take a deep breath. Imagine you are in a meeting again. Everyone is watching you. But this time, you are calm, breathing, ready.
Okay.
Now say, "Good morning, everyone. I have a short update."
Good morning, everyone. I have a short update.
Good. Now add, "We finished the design phase. Testing will start next week."
We've finished the design phase. Testing will start next week.
Excellent. Now end politely. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it. How do you feel?
I actually feel good. Like my voice came back.
It never left. It was always there. It was just hiding behind fear.
Sir, do you really think I can become confident one day?
Not one day. Every day. A little more.
I'll practice what you said. Slowly. Small steps.
That's all you need. Small steps, daily practice, kind heart. Fluency will follow.
Thank you, sir. I feel like you didn't just teach English. You taught me how to breathe again.
Sometimes breathing is the lesson.
They both smile.
All right, Emily. Go home, rest, smile at yourself in the mirror, and tomorrow, say good morning a little louder.
I will, sir. I promise.
Good. See you tomorrow, confident girl.
See you tomorrow, sir. And thank you for listening.
Sometimes the biggest English lesson is not about words. It's about believing that your voice deserves to be heard.